on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in at the gas station right now. And I had a conversation with someone yesterday, and it put something on my mind, honestly. It had me thinking about some stuff. I actually woke up with it on my mind. And, I just want to ask you a question. What can I do for you? If you want to be independent, if you want to be a welder, if you want to learn more about how to start your business or how to um, spread your brand, how can I help you with my services? A lot of times, um, different owners, we want people to invest in what we're doing, but are you, the owner, investing in what the people are doing? You know what I mean? I really want to help you, man. If you're in a situation and you barely getting by, I want to help you make money. Like, I want to see you do better. Literally, I want to see you do better. I don't want to see you saying, hey, man, I'm in a situation, I got to bum a ride, or I got to catch the bus, or I got to do this because this is, no, you can change that situation. You can. But it's all about the hustle. It's all about grind. It's all about putting your right foot in front of your left and vice versa. We got to keep this thing moving. So I'm going to ask you a simple question again. And in the comments, you could just let me know. How can Hog On Welding help you? How can I improve your life? How can I give you more substance? What's some of the answers or questions you need to help you get to the next level? I'm here to serve you. Hog On.